Hi there, students. Elan or Elan. Okay, you can pronounce it in two ways. The first one, Elan, a very British pronunciation, or Elan, as in the French pronunciation. It's originally a French word, and that's why. Okay, this is a noun. This is talking about um, a mixture of vigor and energy and confidence mixed together with stylishness. And this word's particularly used for performances or the way somebody acts. So she dances with such elan that people are amazed by her. As the president of the country, he had a certain elan to the way he did things. Okay, so elan, vigorous spirit and enthusiasm. Yeah, um, the actor gave the performance with great elan. Yeah, with great vigor, with great enthusiasm, but also together with style. So it's very well done as well. Um, he dealt with the children with great elan, with a lot of energy and with a lot of style. Okay, so style and energy mixed together. Um, let's see, if you could speak English with great elan, you're going to get a very good mark in your exam. Yeah, the athlete possesses great elan. A basketball player, yeah, to be really successful, they need elan. Yeah, they need to be agile, enthusiastic, and also a little bit stylish as well. I guess a singer, a pop singer, could his performance showed great elan. There was a lot of elan in his performance. Okay, this is a good word. So elan, strength, vigor, um, and enthusiasm at the same time. Okay, so his elan, it's a noun, is one of the things that he's renowned for. Youth very often has great enthusiasm, uh, but maybe lacks the elan, the combination of that with style that older generations may have. Okay, so elan, yeah, full of energy. Um, the elan of young animals is quite amazing. The eagle hunted with amazing elan, speed, enthusiasm, and vigor, strength, energy. So, next question you're going to ask is how formal is this word elan or elan? This sounds very literary. I think I'm going to give it something like 7.5 in formality. I don't think you can use this word in an informal conversation. I think if you do, a lot of people are going to say, and what does that mean? Yeah, so be careful with it. Yeah, use it semi-formally or formally, particularly in something descriptive, something poetic, something like that. And then the origin, well, this word comes directly from French, élan, yeah, élan, which means spirit, energy, or momentum, or even a run-up. So, for example, a jumper you take a run-up before making a jump. So to take a run-up at something, yeah, if you're taking a good run-up at it, you're full of energy and enthusiasm, and well, it doesn't necessarily say style. That élan in French actually comes from Latin. Well, it comes from the verb élancer, which then comes from elan. Sorry, then comes from Latin lanceare, to throw. Okay, so to throw something, and I can understand how these are linked. So I hope you've seen Elan in my performance in this video. Yeah, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Elan. Elan.